YouTubers, so I'm in the forest at the back of the house, and the reason I'm here is because the sunshine gets in my face when I'm trying to record, so I've got some shade. So I'll show you anyway what I've up to today. This is day 17 and nail count so far is 3, 6, 7, 8, no, hold on a minute, 3, 6, 8,000 nails so far. That's the 90mm or 9cm nails from the nail gun. So here you can see I've got this first internal wall up, which is the corner wall for the doorway. So if you can imagine, there's the doorway and that's the guest room in there. So that's the corner. So you can see on this, according to architect's plan, we have a diagonal bracing running on the inside of those two walls now. And we've got 3 pieces here. It's going to make sense now why I put 3 pieces. So we've got 3 pieces in here by the doorway, and then on this side there's 3 pieces. So that gives a very solid, what would it be, 30 by 150mm timber there when they're all joined together. And they've all got the insulation in, obviously, and they're all sprayed, double sprayed. It's just still drying at the moment. So that's that wall there, and it's looking pretty good. I've got a line running across there, so that when the next piece of the wall comes in, I don't have to mess around with measurements. I can put it straight on the line, and that way then I know the wall will be straight. I know that the diagonals are good, so just got to follow that line now where that nail is down there. You can see the next wall comes on just where I've split it there. That piece of wall goes on there, and this wall goes down here. So next plan is to put this piece of wall up, which is again another diagonally braced piece of wood with a doorway. And I think there's a doorway here as well somewhere, I'm even forgetting, and there's a big doorway here. So not much, very simple wall to go up. I've run out of nails completely. I have none left whatsoever, not even one. But they have arrived in ozone. 4,000 nails I've ordered. So that ozone, for those who don't know, in Russia is something like Amazon. It's like an online store. You order stuff and it arrives. Because nails for a nail gun cannot be bought in the shop. It's difficult even in the big cities to find shops that sell those types of nails. You have to order online, so it's just the way it is.